160 square yard, 3 BHK builder floor in this kind of a location is a very rare find. I'll give you 3 reasons. 1, it's a 3-side corner property. 2, इसके साथ आपको डेडिकेटेड कार पार्किंग मिलती है सेपरेट गेट के साथ. 3, जिस बिल्डर ने इसे बनाया है इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट बिल्डर्स ऑफ रजौरी गार्डन. बहुत एलिगेंट, बहुत सोबर. Let's take you on a tour of this property. So this is the living cum dining section of this builder floor. It's a very spacious living area with the measurements of approximately 16 by 20. You can place an 8 to 10 seater sofa set over here with a center table along with a 6 to 8 seater dining table. उसके बाद भी इसके अंदर काफी स्पेस बचेगा. Opposite wall पे you can place an LED over here. You also have a very big space to move around. मैं आपको इसका layout एक बार describe कर देता हूँ. You have a kitchen and a bedroom at the front, and you have 2 bedrooms at the back. Since this is a 3-side corner property, it has ample ventilation in all the rooms. So through this living area, you have your kitchen at the front of the property. You also have an access to the balcony through this kitchen. Now this is a very well made kitchen. Fluted glass partition, dedicated space for refrigerator. This kitchen is fully equipped with the microwave, oven, chimney and hob already installed in it. It's a very functional kitchen. All the equipments are from Elica. You also have a geyser and the wall mounted faucets from Jaguar. Now you also have a RO fitting underneath this double bowl sink. You have sufficient number of overhead cabinets and pull out drawers along with this pantry which can house a lot of your kitchen items. This is a kind of a kitchen that every home cook looks for. So by the kitchen, here comes your first bedroom at the front of the property. You have an access to the balcony at the front. You have a slider 2-door full height wardrobe. Your LED console. You can place your LED TV over here. This is your attached washroom. Now this washroom is also attached to the living area, so your guests don't have to cross the bedroom to use it. At the back you have 2 bedrooms. ये आया आपका second bedroom with the attached toilet. Since this is a 3-side corner property, you have windows in all the rooms that allows for ample ventilation and sunlight to come in. ये आपका 4-door wardrobe up to the ceiling height. Now this washroom is very elegantly built. You have a full wall vanity with the storage underneath, an ECW and a separate shower enclosure for the wet area. All the faucets and sanitary ware are of the top end brand. From here we enter into our third and last bedroom of the property. This is your LED console. You can install a full-size LED TV over here. It has a lot of ample storage at the bottom. You also have a 2-door slider wardrobe. It's a full height up to the ceiling wardrobe. This is an attached washroom with the vanity, wall mounted faucets, all of the top end brand. You also have an access to the utility area through this UPVC door. This here you can place your washing machine. This kind of property is a very rare find. मैंने ऐसा आपको शुरू में भी बताया था. 3 रीजन. एक, 3 साइड कॉर्नर. सेकेंड, यू हैव अ डेडिकेटेड कार पार्किंग. आपका सेपरेट गेट है नीचे, आप अपनी गाड़ी उसके अंदर खड़ी करो और उसके बाहर भी कोई डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं होगी. थर्ड, बिल्डर इज अ वेरी क्रेडिबल बिल्डर ऑफ दिस लोकेलिटी. बहुत ही अच्छे से ये फ्लोर उन्होंने डेवलप किया है. माय नेम इज चंदन ओबरॉय फ्रॉम विजडम एस्टेट्स. थैंक यू.